Eric from League City has a question about an AC drain.
Yeah, his AC unit's stand-up drain keeps backing up. And Eric writes, the backup flooded our bedroom and hall bathroom, and we had the plumbers clean the line. And one sold us this costly bottle of, what is it called, Pipe Shield to apply monthly. Well, it doesn't work, and probably is just an upsale, he thinks. So Eric wants to know, Tom, what can be done to keep this thing from backing up? What can he do?
It's not installed right. Because you should not have this kind of problem. Once in a while, every 4 or 5 years in August, you might get something backing up depending on the weather, humidity.
What would cause it to back up normally?
It's not draining properly. It's
right.
holding water,
well,
so it's growing schmutz in there.
All right.
And so it doesn't have the proper fall. It might not have the P-trap. I'm not sure how it's set up, but it probably has to be totally redone if you're having to go through this every single month, because that's just not the way it should be done. So as far as that goes, it's like any plumbing. From point A to the drain, point B, you need 1/8 of an inch per foot drop, just like you would for a drain line for a toilet or a sink.
So when you say drop, you mean literally it has to go so I see.
A little bit of a slope,
okay.
Right? Until it finally can drop straight down into the wall, and that's fine. But somewhere it's holding water, it's got a belly in it or something, and it's just backing up on you every month.
You would think a plumber would have told him that.
It's not a plumber, it's the AC guy.
Oh, okay.
This is an AC problem, so you need to call your air conditioning contractor out and let him put this drain in properly. They have rules that they have to follow, and plumbers have rules they have to follow, but plumbers aren't AC guys and vice versa.
Their rules are not really guidelines.
No, they kind of are.
All right. All right.
You could call them that, yeah.
All right. Why send us your question? We'll see what guidelines apply to you. Send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer them here. You can see our videos there, and you can subscribe to our channel right here.